Hey guys, welcome back. While many of you might give credit to Samsung or Huawei for producing the first foldable phone, but these companies did not introduce the first foldable smartphone. The foldable segment wasn't kicked by the Galaxy Fold or Huawei Mate X. It was started by the small Chinese firm Royole with the Royole Flexpai. While the giant companies haven't adopted the foldable phone trend, Royole introduced Flexpai, the first foldable phone in 2018 that managed to attract a lot of attention with its actual foldable phone. It took the crown for being world's first foldable phone. And now they have announced the launch date of its next generation foldable phone, which could be called the FlexPi 2. The company's CEO revealed to the Chinese media that the new phone is coming on March 25, which is pretty close. We don't know much about this foldable device. After all, it's not a device coming from a mainstream company. Although there is no official information about the future of the smartphone, there are some rumors around, according to which the Royole Flexpai 2 will come with Snapdragon 865 chipset that supports both SA and NSA networks. As you know, the first Flexpai model debuted with Snapdragon 855, the most powerful chipset of its time. So it's not surprising that this time it's Snapdragon 865. The original Royole Flexpai wasn't that good compared to Galaxy Fold or Mate X. The design was a huge letdown. Foldable idea is clever, but due to the nature of the hinge, it doesn't fold flat, instead taking on a wedge shape. The sides taper down a point and there's a gap in the middle. Trying to fit it in your pocket was difficult, and even using it as a phone was tough. The actual display was poor, so overall the FlexPi wasn't good compared to its competition. But now with its latest offering, we hope to see that these problems will be solved. For now, we only know about its launch date, which is pretty close, and the fact that it will feature the Snapdragon 865 processor. More information will be coming soon, so subscribe to my channel for such videos. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Peace out.